everyone, welcome to another video about a brand new product that I've just bought. It's the FeiyuTech A2000 Gimbal. It's been on the market for a while now. I just bought it yesterday because I am not one of those guys to who brands just give things to review, so I just had to buy it. I have been researching for something like this for a while, and the FeiyuTech A2000 is probably the cheapest product you can find around, but like we will see in just a few moments, it doesn't feel like a cheap product, but the price is actually pretty low when compared to the other products on the market. This one actually costed me around 580 euros in Portugal. If you look a little carefully online, you can find them at around 100 euros less, but they are all out of stock, and the only store where I could find this was a store in Porto, where it costed the price that I just mentioned. You can find lower prices in the Lisbon area or online, but when I'm buying this kind of products, I always look for a store, a physical store that is close to where I live, so in case there is any problem I can just go there and try to figure things out personally and not online. Well, the product comes on this box, which looks pretty nice, but it actually has this really handy suitcase where you can store all the items you can find. Well, if you've seen the videos you can do with this, they are all amazing. Today I am going to just show you all the parts that it has. Well, first of all, I'd like to point out the great quality of the material, not only the suitcase, but the contents, of course. Well, as you will be able to see, the case is actually pretty neat, and it has all the contents of the gimbal just a little to the right. It's all very nicely packaged in here. Putting this together, assembling the gimbal, I've already done it once or twice to see if everything was working out alright. It's pretty tough. You will have to assemble it's piece by piece, and the most difficult thing of all is to calibrate the gimbal, which you will probably want to do manually, and it will take you some time. I've seen, and you can research it on YouTube, I've seen people taking up to 15 or 18 minutes just to level the camera up before even starting the gimbal, which is I think it's a lot of time. I don't know how people do it with other gimbals. I have not tried them, but that's how it is. Well, just first, this is a kit with not only the single hand grip, but with dual hand grip as well, which I think is better for filmmaking and for movement. The single grip may put extra pressure on your arms, and if you're shooting things longer than 10 or 15 minutes, you'll be tired really quick. And the price difference between the single hand grip and the dual hand grip is not that big. Let's start with showing you exactly the dual hand grip, which looks real good. This is really well built. It's not cheap, it's not light. Some people are resistant to the FeiyuTech products because of their being made in China, but if you think better, China products are, when it comes to electronics, are pretty decent, and the brands are investing real hard on making the quality of the products, of the materials better. So this is real cool. And We will also have the single hand grip here, and right below the dual hand grip there is actually this small tripod that you can fit either under the dual hand grip like this and open it, or even under the single hand grip, okay, just like I did on the dual hand grip. Well, why is this? This because the camera will be more stable if you want to place it on a desk, for instance, or on a table or somewhere, and if you want to do a time lapse. So it's really versatile, and I really am enjoying this product. Let me just show you all the extras that this brings. This product comes with a battery charger, dual battery charger. For the gimbal to work, you will have to place always these two batteries, and this kit comes with 4 batteries that you will place here, and the package says that together the 4 batteries, or the 2 sets of 2 batteries, will last you for around 12 hours, which is decent, and you can always go online and buy extra batteries. It brings a USB cable for you to connect the charger, and it comes with a variety of adapters so you can connect the camera to the gimbal and use the buttons on the gimbal, whether it is the single or the dual hand grip, to control your camera, to move the gimbal, and to remote control your camera, which is really handy. When it comes to the gimbal itself, well, it's kind of a big object here that we have. It comes with this to hold it together, and you have the gimbal. Well, the problem here is that you will always need to place the camera and balance it manually, and you're probably thinking, isn't that why you bought that damn thing? It should be balancing it alone. It should be balancing it by itself. Well, yes, I agree with you, but that's not how this works. It does not work like this at all. You need to balance it manually, and then you will fix or lock the position in which you want to maintain your camera, and it will maintain it like that. So, to place the camera, you will need this quick fixing plate, which is not as quick fixing as the name suggests, because you will then go to this small box that it has on this kit, and you will find a couple of screws to fit it in. You have this thumb screw that you will need to put inside these small holes and then fix your camera to it. Let's try it on this Diana camera that I don't know if you are a fan of lomography. I do, and I really enjoy lomography. I just wish I had more time to spend and money to spend on this product. Well, next we'll have something that it doesn't work with this camera, which is this small piece that you will place in the front of your plate to hold longer lenses. If you're shooting, for instance, with a bigger lens than a 50mm, you will probably want to use this that will fix your lens and your camera, and it will help the gimbal to balance it and not keep dancing around and falling off and unbalancing the gimbal. The first step would be to place the gimbal either on the dual hand or the single hand slider. You will need to remove this cap, and you will see that it has a couple of screws and contacts that you will need to adjust with the same ones, with the same holes that it has here, and you will just fix like this, and then you screw the gimbal to the single grip. So we have it here. We will need now to balance the camera and make it look like this. It's tricky. So the only thing left to do here is to actually fit your camera into the plate and to start shooting. Well, I will leave you a link in the description to a video of another YouTuber who actually shows you how to fit a Lumix camera, or any other camera for that matter, but he uses a Lumix camera to the plate and then to the mount. The goal of this video was just to show you how the package comes and all the quality of this product. I am yet to test it in the field. I made small tests. I will upload videos of the tests that I have done so far and with this product. I will not give it a rank like a review video would do, because I have not tested the other products available, but I would say that for the price it has right now on the market, this product, or this kit, the dual and the single hand grip, is actually a very decent product. Of course, you have all these good brands on the market, DJI and Moza and all that, with all the experience and this kind of products, gimbals and etc., drones and all that have real good solutions out there. This is just one more, and it's actually pretty cheap. I just hope that it lasts for a long time, and for now I'm really happy with it. So let me know what you think about this product. Let me see the videos that you have. Leave a comment on the commentary section, and stay tuned for more videos like this.